Hello, this is Bob Reinsch, and welcome to your Azure Daily Minute for Tuesday, August 13th, 2024. A tools discussion on AzCopy versus PowerShell and Azure CLI. AzCopy is optimized for high-performance data transfers, while Azure CLI and PowerShell are versatile for both control and data plane operations. This post provides examples of how to use these tools for tasks like creating storage accounts, uploading blobs, synchronizing data, and also addressing different authentication methods supported by these tools, such as device login, managed identity, service principal, are all discussed. The entry-level premium plan, POV3, is now available at a lower price, making it more affordable for AI app development. Premium V3 offers high performance, scalability, and reliability with significant savings over 1 and 3 year commitments. Azure provides tools and resources to optimize costs, including savings plans and reserved instance pricing. Azure App Service plans can scale up to 64 cores and 256 gigabytes of RAM, supporting the development of AI applications with generative AI capabilities. That wraps up the Azure Daily Minute for Tuesday, August 13th, 2024. Until next time, take care and go build great things.